Ang hambal diri, Juan 14, versikulo 6. Jesus nagsiling sa iya, ako amo ang dalan, at ang kamatuoran, at ang kabuhi. Walay makaabot sa amay, kundi paagi sa akon.
They shall have eternal life. You never find peace on earth until you find the Prince of Peace. For without His gift of love, the world will never cease. You can climb the highest mountain, you can cross the deepest sea, but without Him in your life, you won't find peace. But without Him in your life, you won't find